Hello, good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. It's me, David, and we are live. Nandito po tayo sa gitna ng highway sa Shibuya. Kita niyo po yan? It's actually, I just finished my work and I'm going to another school. And from that school to that school, meron po akong 10 minutes of walking time papunta sa station. That's why I'm doing this kasi po, we are managing our time. We need time to do our side hustle or side business called digital marketing. Because ang purpose po nitong video na ito ay for me to promote this amazing and life-changing business that we are doing called digital marketing, while also practicing po what it takes to become a successful entrepreneur. So ito po yung mga topics na aking mga pinili kasi ito yung mga topics na makakatulong po sa negosyo moving forward at makakatulong rin sa mga tao nag-a-aspire na maging isang negosyante or nag-a-aspire na maging successful in their life. So those are my goals. That's why I'm also trying to help other people who are watching currently right now, and I hope it's you. If you are interested po to open up a negosyo or a business but you don't know and you don't have any idea how to open it, you are in the right video. And kung naghahanap po kayo ng mindset shift or something just to get better, you are in the right video. Those are my goals, and I'm hoping na makatulong po ako sa mga tao because I like to help people along the way. Okay, so let's go straight away for our topic. This is a really nice topic because we are doing this, me and I are doing this whenever we get like a small milestone in our business. What am I talking about? Is we celebrate small wins, diba? In this business, this is digital marketing business. Natutunan ko po na hindi siya biglaan mangyari. Hindi ka magiging successful within a short span of time. Pero may mga taong nakagawa nun. But now I understand that becoming an entrepreneur or becoming a businessman is a process or it's a journey. So maganda po dito na ginagawa po natin na nagse-celebrate tayo na small wins because it's like it serves as a checkpoint kung saan tayo nakarating, diba? Bakit ba ito importante, diba? Because we can be motivated while celebrating, diba? Because business success, like I said, it will take time. It may take some business might take 5 years, some 10 years, some 1 year, some 2 years, but hindi siya biglaan. So it's really good na mag-celebrate tayo ng ating mga maliliit na panalo along the way, diba? It's just a reminder for us na we are checking the small milestones, diba? Ano bang mga benepisyo nito? Ano bang natutulong nito if we are actually celebrating small wins? Bibigyan ko po kayo ng 4 na benepisyo. Ang benefit number 1 is it enhances motivation. Mas lalo po tayong ginaganahan, diba? Kasi nagkaroon tayo ng small wins, diba? So me and I, before, what we do is we eat dinner outside. Hindi naman kailangan gumastos ka ng sobrang laki. We eat dinner, we drink wine, and I drink a beer. So yung mga small celebration po, it's a really nice what do you call this? Parang chine-check lang natin ang ating mga gustong gawin sa ating mga goal list, diba? So number 1, it gives you it enhances motivation and morale. It boosts our motivation. And number 2, it reinforces progress. So ito ay nagsasabi sa atin na meron pala tayong nararating, meron pala tayong patutunguhan, at meron pala tayong na-check dun sa ating mga goals, diba? So it's really nice na magkaroon ng parang checklist kung ano ba yung mga small wins na nagagawa namin. Like I said, dito sa negosyo na ito, nung first time ko gumawa ng advertisement, first time namin nagka-lead, first time kami nagka-buyer, first time kami nagkaroon ng business partner, we all celebrated that. Kasi those are the moments na magsasabi sa meron na pala akong nagawa. Kasi minsan we are so busy looking at the future na hindi natin napapansin na I'm doing progress. I'm actually doing progress. I'm actually changing as a person. I'm actually becoming a better person. Ayun po yung mga na witness ko firsthand in this business. It's actually changed me and becoming a more aware person and a better person along the way. And number 3 po is it builds confidence. Di ba? Sobrang nakaka-build ng confidence if you are seeing na yung pong mga goals nyo and it's like, nagawa ko pala siya. So me, pag meron ako nagawang small or big goals, ginaganahan ako and it gives me confidence. So I encourage you to do it as well, okay? So number 4. Ito it's good para sa mga malalaking team. It creates a positive work culture. Para sa mga taong may malaking team or you are working with a group of people, it's really nice to celebrate small wins. It's really nice to celebrate others people's victory because it boosts the work culture. Mas lalo silang gaganahan na magtrabaho and mas lalo silang gaganahang tumulong sa iyo along the way. So yun po, I want to really keep this video short because like I said, Facebook is not doing lives anymore. So I'm practicing also to make my own video. Ginagawa ko po tong raw and uncut video because I want you to see the real me. I want you to see the unedited version of David, but I know in the future I will make better content and different content. This is what I am currently doing right now because lalo po ako nahahasa sa pananalita. And it also gives me confidence when I'm doing this and posting it in a consistent manner. So yun po, I hope that if you had a small win, I really encourage you to celebrate it with a special person, maybe your wife, your spouse, your girlfriend, your mom, your dad, whichever people that are close to you, because it's really important na ipaalala natin sa ating sarili na meron tayong progress in reaching our goal. So yun po, I hope that I added value to your afternoon. I hope na kahit papaano nakatulong po ako sa inyong mindset because that's my goal. And again, if you are interested and you are willing to change and willing to go to the next level while helping other people and making money, this is the right business for you. If you want to learn more, just message me and we can talk about it. So maraming salamat po. Medyo umuulan na po dito sa Shibuya. And I will see you guys again for my next live, which is tomorrow. Maraming salamat po. Maulan na po dito. Alright, sige po. Please, thank you.